I'm McHone with the Whissel Realty Group. Some people like to pair their food with a beer. I'm gonna pair this house with a beer. Let's go inside and check it out. I'm here in my latest listing at 8700 Camden Drive in Santee. I've paired this home with Ballast Point Sculpin IPA. The reason I picked this beer is this is one of the iconic beers in San Diego that is universally liked. You'd be very hard pressed to find a craft beer lover that doesn't like Sculpin IPA. And the reason why is that every ingredient in this beer comes together to make a perfect beer that everybody just loves. Just like every feature and amenity in this house comes together to make a superior home that you're absolutely guaranteed to fall in love with. From the beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring, to the stunning cabinets, to the immaculate granite countertops, and the cherry on top, paid off solar on the roof. I'm McHone with the Whissel Realty Group, and I'm here at 8700 Camden Drive in Santee. If you'd like to schedule a tour or you have questions, drop a comment below or shoot me a call or text at 619-971-0791.